How to remove someone from a Snapchat group. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to remove someone from your Snapchat group. So if you have already created a group and added a bunch of members, but you want to remove someone because if they are no longer part of your group, or if you have any problems with that particular member staying on the group, then this is how you remove it. First thing first, you have to open up your Snapchat and make sure that you're logged in. Then just head over to your chat section. Once you land on the chat page, you will just have to find the group where you want to remove member. So just tap on the group. And from here, to access the group information, you'll just have to tap on the group name. Scroll down and you'll see all of the group members. So if you want to remove someone as a group member, all you need to do is long press on their name and you'll have a bunch of options. So the first option is to remove them from the group. Just tap on this one, and as you can see, the other group members will also know that you have removed them from this group. They will still be able to see the history of the conversations and take screenshots of it. So just tap on remove, and as you can see, the member has successfully been removed, and it shows on the group that you have removed this person from the group. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.